Hi, konnichiwa, Asuka sensei desu. Hi, I'm Asuka sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about verb conjugation. Yes, so many people told me that Japanese language is difficult. Japanese language is very complicated. Well, in a sense, it's true. But if you see this video, you can realize how easy it is in a certain part. Okay, so what is verb conjugation? Verb conjugation means, verb changed its shape based on the subject or tense or situation kind of things. So today I show you how verb changed based on the subject of the sentence, like I, you, or he, or she, or they kind of things. Okay, so I'm not a Spanish speaker. I have no idea what Spanish language is, but let me show you how Spanish language changed, the verb changed its shape based on subject. So the verb to eat in Spanish language, comer, sorry, I can't pronounce well, but you can see the point. Okay, so if the subject of the sentence is I, like I eat, it's como, and then you, come, and then he or she, you can see one E, and then we, memos, yeah, and then you means plural you means you can add a bit of fancy flick line on top of E, and then IS, and then they, common, yes. Sorry, Spanish speakers, I can't speak Spanish at all, but you can see how verb changed drastically for each subject. Okay, compared to English, to eat, you are more, a bit more easy. Yeah, well, easier. Sorry, a bit easier for you. Yes, because English, I and you, same eat. We, you, plural you, and they just eat. Yes, can you see it? Only changes happen when the subject is he or she. You add s. Yes. So English verb conjugation is relatively easier compared to Spanish or French or German. Yeah. So maybe you can see how easy English verb conjugation is. But compared to Japanese language, English is still a bit more difficult, because in Japanese language, I, you, he or she, we, plural you, and they, any subject doesn't affect at all the verb shape. This is tabemasu, tabemasu. Yes, no need to change tabemasu. Yes, any subject, any person eat the same one, tabemasu. Isn't it difficult? No, not at all. This is very easy. Think, Spanish or French or German. If you have learned Spanish or French or German language, you need to appreciate the simplicity of Japanese language. Yes. So today I show you the verb conjugation. Japanese language verb conjugation is very easy compared to other European languages like Spanish or even English. Yes, I hope it helped. See you next time. さよなら、またね。